What's up guys, it's Jrzsaiyan here and I'm bringing you guys a different kind of opening. I just bought a Ps4 and let me open this. Alright, brought my knife. Yes. Not working. Knife work. Okay. How do you even use a knife? Oh, okay. Makes sense. There you go. Put this right here.
This guy don't cut up.
Why am I'm not trying to cut the box.
So, don't cut up.
What? It's okay if I cut myself. I'm a big boy. Ooh, I heard the box. Alright. Here we go. This is the Ps4.
What would you do if it's just like a plastic box in there? There's nothing inside.
I'm pretty pissed. Ps4 controller.
And it's like one of those PlayStation 1 controllers. Like not even a PlayStation 1, like a Wii.
They sold me like a PS1.
Or like an Xbox controller. That would be funny.
Alright, here is the manual. Okay, it says something. It says arrow. I don't know what this is. I think this is earphones. This is to talk. That's pretty cool, I guess. Fuck, does this open? Oh, there you go. This is charge the controller. So let's see. And this is HDMI cord. Yeah, it's pretty nice. You get an HDMI cord. And this is the wall plug. Alright. That's pretty much that's in there. This is the Ps4, guys. Just bought it right now from Target with the protection plan and everything. And this is what I've been wanting. Right here. Put this right here. There you go. Look at that. Thing's beautiful. Alright guys. I hope you like the Ps4. Leave a like for the Ps4 and I'll catch you guys later. Jrzsaiyan sending out. Peace.